Okay, I wanted to show you guys. I have this here, and it's actually, the stuff on it's actually showing up better than it really does in here. And I would never think of painting anything in my kitchen, anything else. But for a long time, I've wanted to paint this so it shows up. So anyways, I walked past it today after I was in here cleaning up and doing the dishes. And I thought, I saw some paint in my craft room the other day, and I'm going to pull it out and see if it would work for that. So I went in there and got it, and I've stirred it up. It's called an antique white. And I think it's perfect to go there. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to sand that down, and then I'm going to give it a couple of coats of the antique white and put my stuff back on there, and I think it will just set that off, make it look pretty. Of course, I'll do both sides so it won't be lopsided. So I'm going to get started with it. I'll be back in a bit. All right, I finished it, and I've put the towel rack back on it and hung my decor back on there. This is a little towel that the towels I bought off of Amazon, and then I put that on there with my cameo. And that's actually an old, well, it's some kind of a slicer, and it is old. Because I'm old, and I don't know what that is, other than it's a slicer. Anyways, I finished that up, and I did the other side also. It's a little more simple, but I'll show it to you. I'll share it with you. Okay. Yes, there it is. I just put a cutting board that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I had put some twine, wrapped twine around it, made a hanger and a little greenery hanging off from it. And that's what I did for that. So just a little thing I thought I'd share about what I do around my house. So hope you enjoyed it. Until the next one, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.